Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my new vlog. This is called as Babai Hotel in Vijayawada, one of my favorite tiffin center breakfast place to have. So whenever you're traveling to Andhra, please do visit Babai Hotel. So the best thing about Babai Hotel is like whatever you order, you get a huge quantity of ghee on idlies, dosha, whatever you order. The quantity of ghee is unimaginable. It just literally drips from your fingers. Babai Hotel turned 78 years this year, and the menu is still the same till date. The first thing you notice as soon as you enter this place are these photo frames, which talks about the history of this place. And this place even received a presidential award, as you can see here. Many big celebrities like NTR, ANR, Savitri, and many famous movie directors and producers were the frequent visitors to this place, because of which this Babai Hotel became world famous. ప్రెసిడెన్షియల్ అవార్డ్ అనేది టిఫిన్ సెంటర్కి రావడం గ్రేట్. అసలు నార్మల్లీ ఏ టిఫిన్ సెంటర్లో చూడలేదు ప్రెసిడెంట్ నుంచి అవార్డు రావడం, లేకపోతే ప్రెసిడెంట్ వెళ్ళి తినడం, లేకపోతే చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్ వెళ్ళి తినడం చూడలేదు ఇప్పటివరకు ఏది. పోయి విజయవాడ ఒక చిన్న ఊరు, 1942 అంటే అప్పట్లో మరీ చిన్న ఊరు. సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఫ్రెష్గా చేస్తూ ఉంటారండి. కొబ్బరికాయ, అది పచ్చడి, కొబ్బరి పచ్చడి, ఇడ్లీ పిండి, ఏదైనా వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రెష్ ఉంటుంది వెంటనే. ఇక్కడ మన హోటల్స్లో కాదు, రాత్రి అంతా నానబెట్టి చేసి అంత కాదు. Babai Idly, which you find in many big hotels menu cards like chutneys and even in 5-star hotels, is inspired from this place. And trust me when I say this, no hotel could match up to the taste till date. The idlis are served with their freshly grated coconut chutney and spicy karam podi, which is mouth-watering, and loads of desi ghee, as you can see in the video here. Like he's literally pours like 3 to 4 spoons of ghee and then butter on top. It's like wow, man. Just look at those hot steamy idlis. They are super soft and fluffy, and the butter and the ghee on top makes these idlis just melt in your mouth like cotton candy, and like literally. And the one which looks like water on the leaf is not water, it's ghee. That's excess ghee which he gives you. Just look at the ghee on side of the plate near the chutney. Man, wow. So I ended up my vlog with this filter coffee, which costs around 15 rupees here. It tastes good, man. It literally opens up your eyes early in the morning. Very good, strong coffee. So that's how they do it here in Vijayawada, in Babai Hotel. You have to mix it like that and then have it. That's what I learned from the other guys who were standing beside me. that's the end of this vlog here, and subscribe for more videos. I'll be uploading some few more videos in this next couple of days. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.